I've leaned on meditation during periods of turmoil. I can chart a timeline with specific nodes. These periods of turmoil come in a variety of shapes and sizes. Catch the pun relative to the title? If you viewed the first episode of Word Up, you'd know that humor is a key ingredient to my sanity, especially during tumultuous times. Meditating during these transient moments, here's where I go off on a tangent for a second. Wishful thinking and transience means like gone in an instant. However, these transient moments sometimes last and feel like an eternity. Meditating during these times have been one of the hardest yet most liberating experiences in my life. They are difficult because it's challenging to sit still when every fiber of your being wants to scream, run, or destroy things. It's liberating because once you've surfed the waves, the peace that follows, the possible insights that help you heal or grow are sort of like eating your favorite colored marshmallow Lucky Charm. I refer to them as shared because they are. We all go through them. The degree of experience is personal to one's path. Back around 2007, during one of these shitty moments, I went into a seated meditation where the urge to run was so strong, I literally started swaying like this, back and forth. I needed to do it to channel the energy. It worked for about 5 seconds before an internal eruption. I wanted to scream. I made a decision at some point, though, that I wasn't going to get up and run. Running was a coping pattern, subconscious and literal. In that moment of decision, sitting on the floor, I felt a literal wave of heat dissipating from my body. This was a pivotal point in my life where, until then, I'd had issues with commitment, or going to a deeper level of responsibility and accountability. This transmutation helped me with the next major decision of my life, which was to open up a personal training studio and juice bar. So in this shitty shared experiencing, the fact that we all have them and have them multiple times during our life highlights the potential power of meditation and mindfulness practices in helping you navigate them. This gift is yours, and you can use it any moment.